Hello guys, it's Ronnie D. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And andito po ako sa venue ng Makilala. Angelique will have live concert tonight. Just wanted to thank everyone because sold out po ang ticket ni Angelique and Leitner for tonight's show. And naku, pasukin natin ang ating venue. So, this is Makilala. And this is the... Here. So, what do you think of the show tonight? Will be masaya. So, what time will be starting the show? 9 p.m. So everybody can eat. And then what will happen? We order our food, and then after that, you don't. But anyway, thank you, Kiara. So this is the venue. And of course, I have my compadre here, Vin, my comadre here, and of course my mommy, my Gavin, and of course Mama John. Thank you for coming, diba? And this is my comadre. What can you say? Maganda ba yung place? Oh, masarap ba yung food? Wow, 6:30. Naku, nauna pa ho sila sa amin. And the show is sold out, kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat. Pero hindi pa nag-start ang show. We're having a dinner, and I think this is one of the best one. You know guys, you can order this. Yeah, no, hindi palayok siya. This is the palabok. Oh, sorry, no, that's okay. One of the best palabok I've tasted in my whole life. And it's true. Ayan po siya. And it's really true. And you know, my son never eat pork, so we have a chicken skewer. There you go. This is also one of the best favorite of all time. And let's watch for Halo Halo, because the best Halo Halo I've ever tasted also is just like in Razon in Tarlac. So you can, it's just like that in Makilala. Ayan. So this is the venue. Haven't started yet, but we're gonna be okay. See? Oh, see, another palabok is there. Puro palabok ang kinuha namin because you know what, we tasted it so good. Oh. And what's this? This is, that is the lechon kuwale with rice. And then we also have San Miguel beer. Wow. Cheers for Angelique. Yeah. Ayan. Galaw muna kami ni Vin. Kasi this is the first time kasi na mag-concert ni Angelique ng ganitong setting. Usually, ang mga concert na Angelique, yung standing room. Pero ngayon, she's here sa Makilala. And excited kami. We're just having a dinner. See, all my friends and family, my wife is here. And Gavin is here. And of course, Mama John is present also. Asan siya? There you go. Naka-live na ako. Maganda itong place na to. This is our second time coming here. And it's a very nice place talaga. If you guys in Toronto, here, you know what? This is the best place I've ever seen sa mga concept. Sayang nga marami pa sanang bibili ng ticket, but the thing is, it's sold out na saka the venue is ang capacity lang siguro nito maliit lang. But it's good for Angelique kasi this is a starting part for her. Ayan siya. So maliit lang naman yung venue nila. Diyan sila kakanta. Ayan. Ganun lang ang aking vlog. Anyway, next, sige na po, kakain na po kami, and then we will magla-live naman po ako mamaya. Thank you everyone. Bye, Vin. Bye, guys. Bye, Mama John. Bye.
The food is good.
The food is good. Oh, that's Gabby. Okay. Concert ngayon na Angelica, we're so happy. Oh, Dinuguan is here. Okay na. Okay, guys. See you later. I love you all.